What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on SUI. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here right now, of course if certain conditions are met, because the setups that I showed you in my last YouTube analysis made really insane profits, then definitely watch this video till the end, because I will reveal you my exact entries, stop losses and take profit targets that I'm planning to take here. So if you wanna know about it, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Here I am watching this bearish order block, which is between levels 2.30 and 2.24. So the main condition that I'm currently waiting for is a breakout and then a support confirmation. And if this condition is met, I am planning to open here a new long trade. If we take a look on a bigger time frame, you can see that we just broke this current all-time high, which is really huge bullish news. So as I said, if there will be a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block on the 1 hour chart, then I am definitely planning to open here a long position. Stop loss in this case you can place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target you can then place, for example, under $3 mark, which will be, in my opinion, next important psychological resistance, and this will also give you risk reward ratio around 9.6. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I think you definitely should in a trade like this, because historically we don't have here any interesting supports or resistances, which means that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves, but also it means that we simply can't know where we can place our stop losses and take profit targets. So the, let's say, exact take profit targets you can place based on the risk reward ratio. So some of the profits you will place on a risk reward ratio 2, then for example 4, 6, and then you will save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 5, 6, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this coin. Another trade that is really good right now will be in case of a support confirmation on a daily time frame. You can see that the previous all-time high was on the level 2.18, and if right now there will be a support confirmation, this will be actually absolutely insane long opportunity. So let's say the support confirmation will happen exactly on this level. Your stop loss you should then place at least under these previous lows, but this trade will aim for really huge profit, so you can even place it on lower levels. Your last take profit target you can then place, for example, under $5 mark, which I think will be the high, or like my last take profit target for the upcoming bull market. So if you ask what I think that this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming bull market, it will be, in my opinion, something slightly above $5. So $5 mark, or let's say something slightly under that, will be my last take profit target if I will decide to open here a long trade. As I said, stop loss you can place just under this low that we created in this daily candle, or you can place it on the lower levels, because here you are looking for risk reward ratio 26, which is really huge. So you can, for example, make here like risk reward ratio 11 if you will place your stop loss really low. But if you want to have here really insane profit with, let's say, high risk, then you can trade here something like this. Also in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, especially you want to take large amount of the profits under important psychological resistances. So some of the profits you want to take under $3 mark, then under $4 mark, and you want to then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 25, of course it will depend on how many profits you will take on each level. Also it will depend on, let's say, how many profits you will take at all, because you will probably not take your first take profit target under $3 mark, but you will, for example, take something on like 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, something like that. So let's say in the end, from the risk reward ratio 25, if you will manage your position correctly, it will be risk reward ratio around 15, 16, something like that, which is still absolutely amazing setup. So to be honest, this current support confirmation on a daily time frame is the main setup that I'm watching on this coin. But if you are looking for, let's say, more bullish scenario, or let's say increased bullish volume, then you should definitely wait for a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, because this is also really wonderful setup. The biggest threat that we are currently having here is on a weekly time frame. Because you can see that, for example, here, once we took liquidity above this previous all-time high, which was on the level $2, then you can see we had here a huge drop without a support confirmation. So if you want to have here the safest trade possible, then you should definitely, let's say, wait for a support confirmation on a weekly time frame. The biggest disadvantage of this is that there is really high probability that this coin will go up even without a support confirmation on a weekly time frame. But if you want, you can definitely wait on it. But as you can see, once we took liquidity here, we went back down without the support confirmation, but this was already the end of a previous bull market. And right now, I think this bull market is far from over, and this is one of the most bullish altcoins in the current bull market, because from this low to this high, we already did a pump around like almost 400% of a net market. So as I said, I think this coin is definitely with its pump far from over, and if this condition that I talked about on a daily time frame will be met, or on a 1 hour chart, then I am definitely planning to open here some trading long position. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you want to know about all the trades that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.